Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today we are going to discuss about the circuit breaker. So in earlier lecture I had discussed about like circuit breaker. Like circuit breaker is a basically a switch which behave like an making circuit or breaking the circuit whenever there is a fault condition. So we'll discuss the circuit breaker in detail in further slide. So the circuit breaker will look like this thing. This is also a very useful in domestic household electricity. So this is the basic structure. So it behave like a open switch or closed switch. So circuit breaker by definition, a circuit breaker is an automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by overload or short circuit. So circuit breaker is nothing but it can be a automatically or a manually switch that operate under automatic condition whenever there is a fault occur in the circuit, right? So the main function of the circuit breaker is to detect the fault condition and interrupt the current flow between the healthy circuit and unhealthy circuit. So here is an example of electric circuit. Say electric bulb is given like over here. So this bulb is our load basically, and we can say that this is connected to our transmission line through this circuit breaker. So anyhow, if we'll say if there is a fault in a transmission line, suppose a fault is over here, and if the fault is over here, so obviously current will be increased throughout this line and directly to this one. So whenever there is a fault, it will detected by this relay which is put together with this circuit breaker. Then it will trip the circuit and open this contact, and this will separate this load with this faulty line. So here it will give the protection to our healthy circuit from the unhealthy one. So basic operation of circuit breaker is basically consists of two contacts. One is your fixed and another is your moving contact. So this is also known as a contact electrodes. Under normal condition, these switches or contacts will be closed and will not automatically open until and unless the system become faulty. Of course, these contacts open manually or by remote control whenever desired. And when there is a fault on the system, then trip coil of the circuit breaker will get energized. So simply we can say that relay will sense the condition of fault. Then it moving the contact are pulled at a part of some mechanism. So thus this will open the circuit actually. When the circuit breaker separated under fault condition, arc is struck between them. So the current able to continuously until the discharge ceases. So this production of arc not only delay the current interruption process but also generate enormous heat which may cause the damage to system in the circuit breaker itself. So the main problem in circuit breaker is only is that how to distinguish or extinguish this one arc production in your contact open and close process. So we can say that this extinguish of the arc should be shortest possible time, because the heat generated by it may reach the dangerous value as well, and it will damage the equipment or circuit breaker as well. So here is the like a pictorial view of circuit breaker. So you can see over here, this is the circuit breaker contact that is pivoted with a spring medium over here. So we will put the external input signal to our magnet. So this is our magnet or machine, we can say that finally. So this is our load basically, we are giving the supply. Whenever there is a fault over here, then simply we have to save this equipment. So what we will do, this circuit will be open automatically, and it will separate this device from this one. So circuit breaker is a piece of equipment and which can make a circuit or break a circuit either manually or remote control under normal condition, break a circuit automatically under fault condition, and make a circuit either manually or remote control under the fault condition. So this is the actual view of your circuit breaker. Fine. Thank you very much. This is all about the brief introduction of your circuit breaker. Please stay tuned with us for more videos on circuit breaker. Like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.